Oh wow. Wowee wow. Wow. Whoa. There's not so much stuff in here though. Like quite a lot. This is what's making it overheat. But decent amp though. Wow. Got a light on so we can see. Potentiometer, but you cannot see that because it is behind that panel there, which we are not taking off, unfortunately. Oh, the size of that cap too. 300 microfarad or something. Let's see. Goes up to 105 degrees. Let's look around the back of it. $470 microfarad. 400 volts. There's a transformer. Another transformer. There's a little one. Another type of transformer. Heat sink. All these little chips. There's a cooling fan. A cooling fan there. That's the back of it. Just to keep it cool. Just like making that Panasonic subwoofer right there. And that one. That's got a cooling fan. That one does too. That's a Pioneer. I took the speaker out of it. And quite decent actually. A decent lamp. 120 volts. 120 watts, sorry. 240 volts. We got the cooling fan. Got capacitors. Oh, these little chips as well. We got transformer, heatsink, got these ribbon cables. Squishy little things. We got the cap. Never, ever, ever plug this in when it's open like this. Never, ever, ever do that. Got the speaker connectors right there. Got a subwoofer connector there, where that thing is plugged into. And right there where it says sub. And that's where you can plug your sub into, like that one. I'll do a video on that at some point. It's a Fusion. I'll do a video on that too. That's a decent little fan. It's a bit scratchy. You know, bearings are almost gone on it. But no. Oh wait, I think it's just missing the nut that's supposed to go in the middle. Damn. I got it from a second-hand store and it's actually in pretty good condition. Got cable. I'm not taking that off. What else do we have? How many transformers do we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 transformers in here. 4 of them. They all work together just to boost up the power a little bit. I do have another amplifier which I will make another video on. It's around somewhere. It's buried in that cupboard somewhere. It's actually pretty good. So I'm a bit snuffly today. Sorry. This is actually what's causing all the heat because got these things that actually go onto the thing and it's actually pretty hot. I had to get a new auxiliary cable for it. I think that's what's making it quiet. But just ignore the snuffling. Just ignore that. And little tiny caps as well. So tiny. Oh, look at them, they're so tiny. 1, 2, 3. They're so tiny. Stupid cold. What else haven't we reviewed? We got a whole bunch of little caps. Of them. That's the smallest one I've ever seen in my life. Quite a few here. They got that little thing, that little blue thing. It's all its buddies. Oh my word, there's a lot. There's no way I'm ever gonna take this apart even more. I'm only like taking the panel off just so I can review what's going on in all this. Incredible. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on my counter. Anyway, that's about the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I upload a video. And hopefully I'll see you all next time. Sorry, that was a bit of a short video. But oh, here's the front display as well. Sorry, I forgot. Multi-channel surround system. There's a model number if you want to look that up. It's a HT6T Panasonic. I think that's a micro system. I think. I don't know. It's actually a home theater system. My favourite part is the fan because I like to see stuff spin. This is a fan, and that's a fan. And that's a fan. Got screws and undo it. But hey, love it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is for real the end of it. That's my favourite colour. orange. Man, there's so many wires in here. The main power supply board, which goes into there. Caution: to prevent electric shock, do not remove screws. No user serviceable parts inside. Refer servicing to qualified service personnel. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. It's like the biggest amplifier I've ever seen in my life.